There are some guidelines. So, let us check what are that indicators for the inventive step. These indicators are: first, distance; second, surprising effect; third is long felt need; fourth, failure of others; fifth, complexity of work; sixth, commercial success; seventh, cheaper and more economic product; and simplicity of the proposed technological solution; and the eighth, that is a prior art motivation. So, we will now check one by one what these 8 things or indicators are. So, we will start with the distance. It is to be decided as to how much is the distance between the subject matter of the invention and the prior art. So, this is a distance between the what is the subject matter that is under consideration now and what is a prior art. If such distance is large, it is the better and it is easy to establish the inventive step. So, let us check the example. Subject matter of an invention and a prior art. We are now well aware about the prior art. So, how to judge based on this criterion, that is a distance. So, if say you are working in a chemical engineering domain or you are working in a chemistry realm and you have invented some composition. So, subject matter of the invention is say X composition, and this composition, suppose it is useful to heal the wound. So, if any wound is there, that can be healed, cured by this combination. Now, there are so many such compositions available in the state of the art. How now you will able to judge this, that is a distance thing, or how you will use this distance as a indicator to judge whether your this invention is a patentable or not. So, all the available composition, that is a prior art, and the subject matter under consideration, that is a composition X, we have to compare it for the indicator, that is a distance. So, you have to justify this, how your subject matter is, anybody should consider for grant of a patent by comparing the two sets and providing how much distance is there between these two sets. Which are the two sets? That is the subject matter and the state of the art. So, there may be 1 to 10 different kinds of wound healing composition and yours is having that X composition. So, you have to compare that X composition with each and every the available whatever the wound healing cream or wound healing composition is available, and you have to provide the data to substantiate whatever you are claiming. Okay. So, you will decide also you can also decide some parameters like say what is the method for preparation, what is the method for application, then how many days it take to give you the result, that is how much time that particular composition take the heal or cure the wound, and so on. So, you can consider or decide on the parameters and you can give the comparison of this 10 if 10 such compositions are available in the market. So, thus inventor have to substantiate creation of new composition by the data, and of course, that data should work, means that whatever you have claimed by giving the data, it should work. It is a patent. So, product should work. No one can give for the sake of patent application that particular data. Whatever data you are giving or claiming, through that data you are putting it into the description part, then it should work. So, and you should remember that patent system is very robust, along with a thorough examination. We have seen how thoroughly the examiner do the examination of the patent. So, that thorough examination by the examiner, and along with that there is a pre and post grat opposition. So, it is a very powerful system and you have to substantiate everything, whatever every claim is there with a proof, and your product should work. So, when we are talking about the distance, that distance, suppose you are substantiating by using the data, then that data, if somebody works on that, the same result should be received after doing that particular experiment.